Well, if what we are seeing is anything to go by, then it is such a menace here, Wahiga, because thousands of these illegal gambling machines have been impounded in different parts of Nairobi. This is as a result of, a lot of, these illegal gambling dens being raided on in Nairobi, across Nairobi. This is not just this area of Kawangware and the likes, but also this is an operation that has taken place in a lot of areas inside Nairobi, and we're seeing thousands of these illegal gambling machines still arriving, as you can see, in lorries from different areas and different sub-counties. They are still arriving, and they will be placed here in this field in the Dagoretti South Sub-County Commissioner's Office, and this is the place that Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang will be doing the banning of this, or rather destruction of these illegal gambling machines. It is an operation that has brought together security agencies in all these places. You can see shisha bongs, you can see gambling machines, and as well as a lot of other illegal stuff that come with gambling across the city of Nairobi. And Wahiga, if I must just walk you around here, all the sub-county officials are here in Nairobi, and they have actually come to accompany their dragnet and their consignment of, the illegal gambling machines that have been impounded in their areas. And we are seeing youth just carrying them and placing them in this particular place. And there's also a lot of money involved, because all these have coin slots, and they have coins inserted inside them, and some of them are breaking, and it is to the advantage of those that are actually doing this particular exercise, and they have really ripped big in as far as the coins that come outside these machines is concerned. You can see them there, their pockets heavy with the coins that they have gotten from here. It remains unclear whether the officials here will let them go with the coins, or rather they will be telling them to deposit them somewhere before they are actually allowed to walk out of this compound. It is quite a menace, as you have rightly put it, and this is a menace that is being fought to the teeth by Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang, who will be coming here anytime soon, and we will be also putting him to task in as far as other operations that he is conducting is concerned. So we're waiting to see how this one plays out, and whether indeed there are suspects arrested in as far as in this dragnet is concerned. We'll be also seeing who has been arrested and who has been abating this criminal activity. Given that these things were clearly not manufactured in the country, they must have come in through somewhere. Who let them in, and who is behind this multi-million shilling that has actually ruined the youth in these different parts of the country, because they are targets of informal settlements. A lot of the areas that they are coming from is Kawangware, Mathare, Dandora, and other parts like that in this country, and also Kasarani. They are also very notorious in as far as illegal gambling is concerned. So all those dens that have been raided on, this is the results, and we'll be seeing and asking those tough questions to Matiang to see whether indeed it is just an exercise in futility in as far as impounding them and not catching the brains behind them, so that they can get to see them going back to the business again.